Your mask is set, go. Wow, and back. Go. Well done. And now Danielle, you're going to show everyone how fast you can run. She's eating a watermelon now that she's going to go fast. On your marks. Get out the way, Saul. Get set. Out the way, Saul. Saul, it's Danielle's turn.
It's my turn.
Okay, on your marks, get set, go! Okay, on your marks, get set, go! Wow. Wait, she's going to run into you, Saul. Go. Brilliant, well done. Oh my gosh. Well done.